The $2 bills in this video sold for a lot of money, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be looking for on your rare $2 bill that could be worth a ton of money. Sit tight because we're going to hop right into it. This bill right here sold for $456. Now I'll pause the video really quick. Leave a comment down below right now as to why you think this bill sold for this much money. I can personally see why, but not everyone knows what to look for. If you can't figure it out, put a question mark comment down below just to let me know you're paying attention. So if you look very closely, I'm going to tell you right now why it sold for so much money. First of all, it graded really highly, but the main reason is the serial number. If you look at the prefix number, which is the first letter in the serial number, if you're paying close attention, you'll see that the serial number on the left starts with an H and the serial number on the right starts with a B. If you ever find a $2 bill that has a mismatched prefix letter like this, you could be in for a real treat because $456 for this $2 bill that sold in auction. So I'll be as quick as possible, but this Red Seal $2 bill is 100% genuine. They produced these bills back in the day as legal tender notes. They're technically still legal today. I could bring a bill like this to the bank or a grocery store and legally they would have to accept it. I advise against that for two reasons. One, most people think these bills are fake and they would call the cops on you. There are real stories out there like that, so please be careful. And two, the second reason why it would be a bad idea is because there's way more collector value than just $2 in these Red Seal and serial number bills. Really quick, this bill's from 1928 and that is the first year they started producing these small size paper money bills. Before that, they had large size bills, but more on that in a different video. What you need to know here is that this one graded at the 58 grade, meaning there is a fold somewhere on the bill. If there was no fold on this bill, it would have graded higher and it would have sold for a lot more money. The main reason why this 1928D legal tender $2 bill note sold for $2,280 is because it is an inverted back error. If you have an inverted back error like this, you're in for a real treat, guys, because $2,280 for this one little $2 bill. The Coin and Currency Mastermind class community is now live. Click the link below for more information and I'll see you inside.